Have you ever felt like it's been very difficult for you to move forward and you feel the Lord calling you to work on what He's called you to? May that be a book, start a ministry, start a business, but you feel a bit stuck? Here are some tools that the Holy Spirit revealed to me and tools that I've been using practically to help me move forward in my kingdom assignment. Tool number 1, prayer. It is impossible to do your kingdom assignment without input from the Lord. You can't do God's work without God. And so prayer is key to moving forward in your kingdom assignment because you're able to discern what the Lord is saying, how He needs you to move. You're able to receive divine instructions from Him on how He needs you to steward your assignment. So prayer is key. If you feel like you have a inconsistent or inexistent prayer life, don't worry, I got you. I have a YouTube video that shows you how to build a prayer life. Check out my bio.